Hi YouTube. I managed to get some tools for my turbopower 1, the U2194, and as you can see it's got a picture of the U2194 on the box. So I got these for only £6 and everything's there. The box is a bit tatty, but you know. It's got dusting brush, extension wand, upholstery tool, the crevice tool, and the pan adapter or pan converter and hose. Now these are second generation tools, which means it has a stretchy hose and the longer crevice tool. So basically they just clip on where the brush roll is, so you just flip it upside down. It's got a little catch there that just goes under where the brush roll is, under the bottom plate I mean, like that, and then they push up like that and clip on top like that, and there's your hose. Now I'll show you what the suction's like. Now it's okay. I mean, it's not brilliant, but it's better than you would expect. Now, I did have some flour. Maybe that's gone. Oh, there it is. Put some flour down. Show the upholstery tool. So these are just like traditional twist and lock tools. You just put it in the middle like that and then put the tool in and twist it and it's locked in. This one has suction release. I don't know if they all had suction release, but I don't know. But anyway, here we go. No, they're okay for dusting and stuff, but pet hair maybe it's not gonna clean as well. Or clean that up as well, I should say. But you know, it was good for the time, and they're kind of nice to have to complete the vacuum, but yeah. So basically, yeah, that's it. Like I said, the suction's okay. It's enough. But I suppose it could be better. Everything just fell out the box, so I just had to put you down. Sorry about that. Basically, yeah, that's the tools to complete the turbopower 1. So, just a quick video, but thanks for watching.